Everyone knows you have an advantage if you have ServiceNow in your stable of applications at your organization. The ability to go wide across the enterprise to improve efficiency and reporting and digitally transform is the biggest benefit perhaps of ServiceNow. But to realize that benefit, you do need to go wide with ServiceNow. ServiceNow can be quite an expensive service desk if you're just managing a few incidents through it. But if you've taken it wide, you've adopted HR, SPM, you've got FSM and CSM, you're able to collate information from across your business and see that, and if you're at the exec level, to get that one pane of glass in that dynamic dashboard from ServiceNow, which is giving you the finger on the pulse of what's happening. But how do you do that? How do you go wide? Often there will be a leader within your organization who makes the decision that they want to implement ServiceNow. And traditionally, this has been IT and it's been ITSM. Then HR was a big one for a long time where people would start with HR. CSM is another one. SPM being led by the project teams. Once you've got that in there, what you need to do is to go wider. And how do you do that? How do you internally evangelize ServiceNow? You can have real challenges in this space. In lots of businesses, the different business owners hold the purse strings. So you might be the person in charge of ServiceNow. Unfortunately, you're not in charge of the budget for ServiceNow. A particular business unit will decide this quarter we're going to do something and we'll give you some money to help us implement that on ServiceNow. What you need to do is get loud about ServiceNow, is really evangelize internally. You need to pick off the business units and show them some value. Because once they have seen in their space the value of ServiceNow, they're very likely to start thinking about turning their budget that way. And you can demonstrate that value easily. Do simple things. Go right back to the basics. Get some inbound email actions set up for a team so that suddenly, instead of people in their team spending all of their time in email, maybe double handling email information into ServiceNow or some other tool, get those emails coming directly into ServiceNow, get them converted into tickets for them straight away, and give them some reports on that. Reports are great. Reports are a great way to define what you should be doing. Go and talk to the exec, ask them what they want to see on a dashboard, and work backwards from there to figure out what data and applications you need. So be loud about ServiceNow, be positive, and be enthusiastic about it. Identify the natural evangelists within your organization and support them. Do some really simple things, which I've seen work well in the past. Get some gregarious, outgoing people who like ServiceNow, set them up in the lunchroom with a laptop, and let them demonstrate and show and talk to people the simple ways in which ServiceNow can bring value to their business unit and capture their requests and their pain points, and then consider doing some small proof of concept pieces for them, which might again be as simple as just creating a catalog item for that particular business owner, which addresses one little problem but demonstrates the value of ServiceNow. Get out there and get your business hooked on value with ServiceNow.